I am in Tokyo right now and I am so excited to take you guys along for this Japan adventure because we will be traveling Japan for the next 11 days and we will visit Tokyo. Obviously we will see Fuji, Kyoto and Osaka, and I'm so excited for this journey because Japan has been on the top of my bucket list for so long and now I'm finally here and can see everything with my own eyes. And if also you want to visit Japan sooner, if it's on the top of your bucket list, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow my Japan series. Let's see what Tokyo has to offer. We are now on the top of Shibuya Sky. I think I booked the tickets 2 weeks in advance and I can highly recommend you to do it. I will put the booking link in the description box below. And yeah, we are on the 45th floor. How does it feel?
My leg is shaking.
The view is crazy. Wait, let me show you. This looks so unreal. I feel like this could even be New York City. I mean, they even have their own Central Park here. And right now it's November, so all the trees are starting to change the color, which is so beautiful. Look at this. Oh wow, that's Shibuya Square. We had the slot at 11:40, so you have to book really like a week in advance at least if you want to go for sunset. It's sold out months in advance. Let's go down.
We are crossing the Shibuya street.
Yeah, it's crazy busy. Before we were here, it was not as busy, but now it's middle of the day.
Now it's getting busier.
And here's the famous Starbucks. And that's how all the people are getting a coffee and shooting the Shibuya Crossing from above. And we were just here.
We were there before.
Up there. And now where are we heading?
To shopping.
Shopping. UNIQLO is my boyfriend. If you have watched our Europe videos, you know how much he loves shopping. So we came with a half-empty suitcase.
Before we only bring 2 suitcases, and when we go back to Bali, we brought 4 suitcases, so 2 extra.
In Europe, yeah. But yeah, we're heading to UNIQLO now in Shibuya. It's somewhere over there. And all the streets and all the food are so... They have Lush here with the soap and all the good smell. Ooh. And all the food here is amazing, so we will also take you guys around for all the food tastings and stuff, obviously. But now, shopping first.
Especially 7-Eleven here is the best. Finally we are here, it's UNIQLO. We're gonna check this out. What do they have for me? Let's see. Look what I get.
2 shirts, long arm, white shirt, t-shirt, and then these pants. I really love them.
And I love her.
So many things in Japan that we still need to learn about, like the manners, like what you can do and what is not allowed, and like holding hands and being cuddly, and especially also kissing. No, 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 no.
No, cannot.
Time for our first sushi in Japan. Woo, woo.
Cannot wait for that. So excited. Let's go.
I don't know if it's allowed to film in here, but we will try to take it. Okay, I just saw that from a friend. I have no idea how that works. English?
No, babe. So I still have 3 orders. Grape juice?
Yeah, I got this one.
I don't know what is W.
Or maybe big size, because this is small, 190 and 330.
Confirm?
Yeah.
Let's see what is coming.
I already got some of mine, and this is what it looks like. This is with salmon. This is also salmon and avocado. Very excited. Kumang is still waiting. Oh! I got this. I already finished 1 plate. So now we have this. Let's try. This is grape juice. Interesting.
But it's really good. Sorry.
Oh my god, I love it. This is salmon and avocado. This place is really popular. It's called UNIQLO or something like this. I will link the location description box below. But yeah, they're really known for also affordable prices. So one set of sushi, like 2 rolls, cost around 150 to 200, which is
15,000.
€1.50 to euro, something like this. So between 10 and 20,000 rupiah, which is a really good price. And the food is really good as well.
This is so good. Japan, I love you.
We're at Shibuya Crossing.
Let's cross the road. Sorry. This is Tokyo. In Bali, you walk on the street, you kill yourself.
We are now at a very famous Latte Art Cafe here in Tokyo. It's called Cafe Rishu. We had to put our name on the waiting list. We just had to wait 50 minutes, so it's not too bad. But you have to order 1 coffee per person. And my boyfriend doesn't even drink coffee, and it's expensive. So it's 1,500 yen per coffee, which is like €8. And for the fact that you don't even like coffee, you wanna come?
We'll just sit here like a homeless.
No, come with me inside, no. If I leave this guy here, he will go home with a Japanese girl. You come with me.
So she's still scared to leave me alone. It's okay.
You will also drink coffee with me.
I will get someone else then.
Can you stop?
Oh. So
This is so cute. But yeah, for 1,500 yen, I expect something like this. Let's say like this, but this looks really, really cute.
I will cut the ear first.
Filled up. I feel definitely more energized now, but also we had to charge our phones because they were both flat. Because this guy is posting his Instagram stories like an influencer.
Hey.
We are walking back to Shibuya station because we have to get to our place, drop the bags, drop the backpack as well because we got so much stuff, rest for a little bit, and then go back out because we want to see Shibuya and Shibuya Crossing at night, which we could do now, honestly.
I'm gonna get ramen tonight.
Yeah, he wants to get ramen, and now we have to walk 15 minutes. How was the coffee? Oh no, you had hot chocolate.
I cannot drink coffee. I have the chocolate.
Hot chocolate, how was that?
So fucking good.
1 to 10?
9.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You don't want to ask me?
And yours?
8.9.
渋谷ご乗車ありがとうございます
Just get me.
Big jump is now evening. Well, actually, no, it's in the middle of the night. It's 2 a.m. We had some drinks with friends of Komang, and now we are in our hotel room and on the way. We obviously had to stop at 7-Eleven. We got a bunch of snacks. What are you having?
Chicken butter curry.
How's that?
So good. If you are in Japan, if you not stop to get some snacks or food at 7-Eleven, if you don't try it, you're not in Japan.
How much did you pay for this one?
60,000?
Yeah, about 60,000 rupiah. And I got the popular cheesecake, and it's really good, guys. And I think for this is like 150 yen. So should be less than €1 if I'm not mistaken. Then what we also got is the mayonnaise tuna onigiri. It's really, really good. This is one of our favorites. Then also we got some crab with banana and milk cream, or Komang got it. Apparently anything with grape flavor here is supposed to be really good. So I got this because why not? And then we got the sugar coating something. I also saw this in a lot of TikTok. And some drinks, random drinks. I have no idea what this is, but I think there's lychee on it. And what did you get here?
Lemon.
Strong sparkling water lemon. This is my grape thingy, by the way. It smells very artificial, I have to say.
Oh, I need to take this out.
Mm.
It's 2 a.m.
Try it. This is so sweet. This is sour and sweet. This is perfect for me. I love it.
This is still the best for me.
Okay, I will also try this, and then I think I have diabetes. Oh, this is so soft. Good morning, friends, and welcome to day 2.
Guten Morgen.
We are on our way to
Kickboxing to UFC Tokyo gym.
kickboxing. I'm here to see Tokyo. He's here to train, apparently. We have to find the JC line.
So this is our ticket, guys.
How much was it?
180. It's like 118,000.
18,000.
Yeah, 18,000 in rupiah. What is this now? East Gate. Not here.
Let's just do it here.
Always stand on the left side here. We will go to kickboxing now, and then we will check in our new hotel in Shinjuku. So we moved locations. We already dropped our suitcases there, and I'm very excited because it's a very beautiful hotel, and also we feel like Shinjuku is a very exciting area to explore at night. There's a lot of vending machines and just like game centers. Yeah, we will just explore that area tonight, but first kickboxing.
I hope the teacher is not gonna smash me.
I hope he makes you make like 20 burpees.
I hope not. This is Tokyo, Japan, guys.
Yesterday was so warm. Yesterday was 23 degrees. Today is 13. So 10 degrees less. And
But can you just take this bicycle?
you want to steal? Just checked into our hotel here in Shinjuku, and it's a dream. It's on the 41st floor. His legs are shaking and the view is an absolute dream. Are you ready?
Let's go!
Woohoo! We will watch the sunset from here because honestly I don't think there's a better sunset viewpoint than our hotel room right now. And also we have a view on the Godzilla here, and they say at 7 p.m. each night there will be like a little show, like he will spit fire or something, so we will watch that later. But yeah, this room is an absolute dream. And they also provided us with some fresh fruit and the strawberries.
The strawberry here is so insane. I can eat this all day.
The Japanese strawberries are supposed to be some of the best, and also when it's strawberry season, because I think right now in November we are out of season. They have these sandwiches at 7-Eleven with the strawberries inside, but I didn't see them so far. But And yeah, this is our bed. As my boyfriend said before, looks really cozy, so we will have the best view tonight. And then also here the bathroom, so toilet. I think we have a bathtub. Oh my god! And here, oh, I forgot my welcome drink here. Cheers. And I think the plan is we will just stay here for a little bit to just relax, watch the sunset, then shoot some content in the lobby, which I'm very excited for because I have some photo ideas that I want to create. And then we will explore Shinjuku at night, which I'm so excited for because even in the day there seems like so much going on in this district of Tokyo, so this will be even more fun in the night, I believe. We got ready, and also my boyfriend. Oh my god, it looks like I'm bald. I need to get some new shoes and a jacket because it's very cold. I think right now it's 9 degrees, which I mean it's normal for November, but for us coming from Bali where it's 30 degrees and very humid, 9 degrees is very, very cold. So both of us need to get a new jacket, I think. What do you think?
Good.
Yes.
We just get out from our hotel.
So cold.
And now I think it's about 10 degrees. It's so fucking cold, man. It's freezing.
So fun.
What do you think?
It's so cold. I need to get a jacket. I just have the blazer and under just like a small shirt. It's not enough.
It's super cold. Look at me.
We are now in a very cute little street here in Shinjuku. I will put the name here because I completely forgot. And there's so many stalls and food stalls left and right. They're very small but so cute. Look at this. Let's get a jacket. Yeah, we need something like this. I need this jacket. I think I'm getting this winter jacket. 12,900, but it's tax-free, so I think it's gonna be minus 10% if I'm not mistaken. So around 1.1 million, which should be 65 euros. Not too bad, honestly. Yeah, totally different than the Bali outfits. And I think Komang is also getting a jacket.
Which one, babe?
This one is better. I like this one more.
Why are people wearing this? Looks good when I wear it. Looks so stupid. This is the third time shopping in Tokyo. Always UNIQLO.
I got my new jacket and I'm wearing it already because it's so cold. So in total, it was I think 11,100 yen. So I saved 1,800 yen by tax-free, which is really good. So if you're planning to go shopping in Japan, always bring your passport with you. Otherwise, you cannot get the tax-free. Oops.
Yeah, I got my new hat. I got new jacket as well because outside is so cold, like maybe 10 degrees, even less. So we just got to the small little bar. Gonna get some drink now before we leave, before we go home, sleep.
This place is so nice. We just wanted by accident here in a little street. I think it's called Bar Albatros. I will link it in the description box below.
So cool.
We are still at this little street and we found a very cute udon place and the ratings are really good. So we have to stand in line now to be one of the, I think 8 persons to get seated here. But yeah, it's very cute and the price is also very reasonable. And it also says that seating is also separate sometimes. So when there's only one person, maybe we don't sit next to each other.
It's okay. You're always in my heart.
We just finished our soba. We are
So
full.
good. So hot.
And now we found another spot where we want to try some dessert.
So
They
cool.
have those famous crepe. And guys, you have to tell me, crepe is like a thin pancake, so it's not crunchy, right? Right? What do you say?
In Bali, we have this. We call it krapes.
We're not in Bali, but
It looks interesting. You don't need this.
babe.
You want?
Yeah. You look so happy.
A little bit.
It's really good. So we got strawberry, banana. We paid 680 yen, which is 5 euros, I think. Expensive, but it's good. We are on the way back to our hotel. And if anyone from you is from Japan, from Tokyo, or just has an idea, what are these girls doing here? What is going on? It looks like they're waiting for something, but we don't know what they're waiting for.
Oh, maybe they have concert here.
Concert?
Look, they make a stage here earlier.
Yeah?
Oh,
Is-
no.
Maybe some stars are coming? And this is our hotel. It's actually crazy to see it from below. There is our lobby and our room is up there. All the way up.
Honestly, I'm so scared to stay there.
Why?
I don't know.
He's scared of earthquakes, especially in Japan. Let's do this tomorrow. Let's get out of here.
I think Tokyo is one of my favorite city, babe.
It's my favorite city for sure. I love it here so much.